Hi, and welcome back to my 21 Gun Saloon. I'm a disabled veteran who likes to make drinks and would like to share them with you. Today I'm going to take this Parrot Bay coconut rum. It is 90 proof. Let's see, where is it from? Rum produced in the Caribbean, bottled by Parrot Bay Rum Company in New York. Ounce and a half of your Parrot Bay coconut rum. I do like the 90 proof point on this one. It just makes the coconut taste better. And we're going to top that off with the Island Wave lemonade made by Calypso. Give that a quick stir. I hope everyone out there is having a great day today. If you can do me a favor and smash that like button. While you're at it, subscribe to the channel. Thank you. I really do appreciate each and every one of you. These videos are also my way to honor the memory of the men and women who volunteered or may have been drafted to serve this country. If you would like me to dedicate a video to a fallen veteran or soldier, email me at my21gunsaloon@gmail.com and I will dedicate it to your fallen hero. I will now raise my glass and pay my respects to Leroy Soderbloom. Leroy passed away on March 12, 2025 at the age of 92. He served in the Air Force with combat during the Korean War. He called Colorado home. You may be gone, but you will never be forgotten. Thank you so much for your service. You will be missed. Wow, I'm going to give that above a 10 out of 10. The coconut in the Parrot Bay enhances the papaya, the pineapple, just the lemonade in general. This is fantastic. Leroy, may you rest in peace. Solid drink. On average, 22 veterans and soldiers take their lives daily. If you're having a mental health crisis, please reach out to the agencies listed in the description below. These services are free, so please reach out for help. If you like what I am doing, please like, subscribe, and share these videos. Please help me keep the memory of these heroes alive. Since these episodes contain alcohol, please drink responsibly and do not drink and drive. Thank you, and have a great day.